Stop exporting your TikTok videos on 4K. But 4K is actually making your video worse. I'm going to be showing you the secret in VN editor, how to make your video safe. So this is the VN app, and if you have done your video like this, let me just put it for the ratio of the TikTok ratio so that you can see. So this is the TikTok ratio that we have here. We have it as a vertical. When you are done doing your videos and you want to upload them, you come to this area where they say upload. This is where the whole problem lies, where many people videos are failing and they don't have view, and it is called low quality and low effort and low export. It is in the area of this export where you upload your videos. Now let me show you. When you come to resolution, your resolution should not be at 4K where you are seeing. If your resolution is at this 4K, then actually your video is going to be of high quality and TikTok is going to deny it. So your video should be at the resolution of 180. It should be at 180 pips. Then your FPS should not be above 50 to 30. You drag it down to 30, or you can take it to 50, as you can see mine. So you put it down at 30. Then your bitrate should not be higher than, it should not be higher. Your bitrate should be at least approximately 12 to 13 mbps. You put it at 12 or this 13 mbps. Then you take export. Then you export your video without any trouble. Try this on your next post. If it works, you come back and sub. Then you get for more tutorial that talks about how to edit and how to go about your videos.